I felt like a Spanish, like a Puerto Rican in this hair. I felt Puerto Rican.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Sofoxyyy, and if you're new here, hey girl, hey. Today we have ourselves another wig install brought to us by TrueGloryHair. This install ended up being a glueless unit, but I'm giving too much. So before we jump into that video, just please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And now let's just jump right into it. So like I mentioned, this hair is from TrueGloryHair, and this is their packaging. When you open your box, it says hello gorgeous, hey girl. And that is what you get inside. So we got us some HD caps, and we also got us our unit. Now the unit that I received from this company is called Zia. She is a T-part wig. Girl, why is she 31 inches? 31. Now this is a synthetic unit, but it's giving luxury synthetic. Just hear me out. So like I mentioned, this is 31 inches. This is a T-part. This unit is 21.5 circumference, heat safety up to 400 degrees, and she is $68 like I mentioned before. So right now you guys just see me throwing the unit on my head. Now before I even start this video, because this unit was really filled with a lot of pros, I just want to go ahead and get the con out of the way. This unit was too small for me. Like my big old head, can you believe it? And I'm really a 22 inch, but like I mentioned in the beginning, this is a 21.5, so it was super duper small. Like girl, it was low-key, high-key squeezing my damn brain. So I had to go in with my eyebrow razor, and I'm just cutting that lace off. But while I do that, I'm just going to give you guys some details about Zia. So they said that this unit is a part of their collection of synthetic wigs that look and feel just like human hair. Girl, they were not lying. Exclusive high-grade fibers that has a natural luster, can last up to 8 months with proper maintenance, and it is a wallet-friendly game changer. Now seriously, and I'm really not just saying this because I'm reviewing it, I was kind of shook at the fact that she was synthetic. When I tell you soft, the fact that she is 31 inches, I'm not gonna lie, I wish I had the option to customize my hairline a little bit, being that this is a T-part wig. But nonetheless, as fast as I was able to install this, I'm not gonna lie, we might have to run Zia back one more time, because she's definitely one to keep in the collection for sure. Right now you guys just see me pulling out some baby hairs. Like I say in almost all of my videos, am I really ever gonna stop doing baby hairs? I really don't think so. Like for what? For why? I'm just not. Cutting those down with my eyebrow razor, and I'm just using my, what is that called? And I just seen it on the screen. Oh my gosh. My Gorilla Snot Gel. Lord, please excuse me, y'all. I have not gotten any sleep. My son woke up at 5 a.m. just being so ghetto. Like, I just cannot. So right now I'm just swooping my baby hairs, and yeah. So right now you guys just see me going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm just bringing a bit of life to the part. Now this part is 5 inches, and I love my parts that deep because I just feel like it helps the unit look that much more realistic. Going in with a blending brush just to blend some of that out. Now if you a lazy girl, and that could be me because I be like that sometimes, girl, why are we finished? I did not glue down a damn thing. Threw on some baby hairs, added some concealer, and that was seriously it. Exactly. Now, if you don't want to be a lazy girl and you actually want to put in a bit more effort into your unit, I would suggest going in with your hot comb just to flatten the top of your wig. Now, I do this sometimes, let me not say sometimes, I do this most of the times with my unit, but being that this was a curly unit, like I showed you before, it was perfectly fine. But if you just want to flatten it that much more, you could definitely do that, and I'm about to show you guys the difference. That is the not pressed side, and that is the pressed side. Honestly, they both look real good to me, but for demonstration purposes, I'm gonna show you guys obviously both ways. But that was seriously it for this unit. 31 inches, girl, for $68. You're welcome. She is a T-part wig, so she is super convenient. She is heat safe up to 400 degrees. The only con that I have is how she fit my head, because seriously, I really wanted to glue her down and keep her for a while. But a throw on and go, oh, we're gonna take that to TrueGloryHair. Yeah, I did your thing with this one, and you guys could definitely save 35% with my coupon code Kenesha35. And yeah, that was pretty much it for this install, you guys. Link to this wig will be in the description box below. I would definitely though give this unit a solid 9.5 out of 10 for sure. But that was it for today's video, you guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you know when your girl is posting next. And until next time, I will see you guys later. Adios.